Warangal is a city in Indian state of Telangana. It is the second largest city. Warangal served as capital of Kakatiya dynasty, which was established in 1163. The monuments left by Kakatiyas include fortresses, lakes, temples and stone gateways, which in present helped the city to become a popular tourist attraction. The Kakatiya Kala Toranam was included in emblem of Telangana by the state government, and Warangal is also touted as cultural capital of Telangana. The three urban cities Kazipet, Hanamkonda and Warangal are together known as Warangal Tri-City. During the Kakatiya rule, Warangal was referred with various names like Orugallu, Ekasila Nagaram or Omatikonda. All these means a single stone referring to a huge granite boulder present in the Warangal fort. When the Kakatiya dynasty was defeated by Delhi Sultanate in 1323, ruler Junna Khan conquered the city and renamed it as Sultanpur. Later, Musunuri Nayaks recaptured Warangal in 1336 AD and named it as Orugallu again. Warangal was the ancient capital of Kakatiya dynasty. It was ruled by many kings such as Beta Raja I, Prola Raja I, Beta Raja II, Prola Raja II, Rudradeva, Mahadeva, Ganapati Deva, Prataparudra and Rani Rudrama Devi, who is the only woman to rule over Telugu region. Beta Raja I is the founder of Kakatiya dynasty and ruled the kingdom for 30 years and was succeeded by his son Prola Raja I, who shifted his capital to Hanamkonda. During the rule of Ganapati Deva, the capital was shifted from Hanamkonda to Warangal. Kakatiya period inscriptions praised Warangal as best city within all of Telugu regions up to shores of the ocean. The Kakatiyas left many monuments, including an impressive fortress, 4 massive stone gateways, the Swayambhu temple dedicated to Shiva, and the Ramappa temple situated near Ramappa lake. The cultural and administrative distinction of Kakatiyas was mentioned by Marco Polo. After the defeat of Prataparudra II, the Musunuri Nayaks united 72 Nayak chieftains and captured Warangal from Delhi Sultanate and ruled for 50 years. After the demise of the Nayaks, Warangal was part of Bahmani Sultanate and then the Sultanate of Golconda. The Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb conquered Golconda in 1687 and it remained part of Mughal Empire until the southern provinces of the empire split away to become the state of Hyderabad in 1724, which included Telangana region, some parts of Maharashtra and Karnataka. Hyderabad was annexed to India in 1948 and became an Indian state called as Hyderabad state. In 1956, Hyderabad state was partitioned. As part of States Recognition Act and Telangana, the Telugu-speaking region of Hyderabad state, which includes Warangal, became part of Andhra Pradesh. After the Telangana movement, Telangana state was formed on 2nd June 2014. Warangal became part of Telangana state.
Thank you everyone.
Please subscribe to Siri Vennela Potluri YouTube channel.